Good morning. The hostel also has yoga included here. So yeah, it's only 3 days a week, but it's this morning, so I actually had a really good sleep. Anyway, I'm off to get a coffee before. Quick toe update. Got more movement in it now and the swelling's gone down a bit. Oh, really enjoyed that. That was really good. Apparently it was Vanyasa is the name of the yoga teaching. I'm definitely going to look into that a bit more. Just waiting for some breakfast now. That was the first time chatting to some people really on this trip. It was really nice, all nationalities. They've given me some really good ideas of what I can do for the last 4 days that I currently don't have anything planned for, so I'm going to do some research later. I'm going to grab a shower because I need to move out of this room. I'm in a 5-bed female dormitory, and because I've extended my stay I have to move into a mixed dormitory for 2 nights because it was fully booked. I'll quickly show you my accommodation that I was staying in first. So that was my bed. So you have your light and power source and a nice curtain, so you have some privacy. And then there's a bathroom, so you have locker, a shelf, and a bath, toilet, and a shower. So most accommodation actually provide a towel as well. So although I brought one with me, I haven't had to use it yet. So I slept loads better last night, and the way I managed to get around it, I actually used these headphones. I forgot that I brought them with me. I did use them on the plane, but they didn't block out enough of the plane noise for them to be really the best thing for on a flight. But I tried them again here. Lytmi CozyFit they're called, and basically they're the sort of headphones that don't go in your ears. So I really struggle with having headphones in my ears. Earpods for too long, they make my ears really itch. And that's what I liked about these, because they are basically suitable for sleeping. So you kind of put them on. You may have seen them before. Is that right? No, hang on. Yeah. So you put them around your ear. They don't actually go inside your ear, they just sit on the outside. And the sound's actually surprisingly good, considering they don't actually go in, and they also have like the touch controls on the outside for... I haven't quite worked out the touch controls yet. I think they're quite confusing. It's like 2 taps for this, 1 tap for that. At the moment I just put them on and they tend to work. So comfy, you can actually sleep in them, so I put on some like really chilled out spa music and fell asleep, and as usual I kind of wake up with a jolt when someone walks in the room or something. But this time, because I had these on, I forgot I had them on. When I woke up I was like, where's that nice music coming from? And then I remembered I had these in, and so yeah, I got back to sleep again, which is just like unheard of. Normally I would just sit there for hours and then give up and get up. So yeah, really good for sleeping. I'm just gonna have a day today, sitting around the pool, listen to some music and my audiobooks, and just chill, give my toe a chance to heal. So in my new hostel, I've got my shelf space, my locker, and in this one I'm on the bottom bunk, but I think it's mixed sex in this one. So I'm off to a restaurant that I've been recommended by a couple of people now. It's run by a local Balinese woman. Apparently it's very traditional and really good value, so, and lovely. think it's down here. This is it. So there's loads of options here, all sound bloody lovely. Let's say grilled chicken curry, 40,000, that's essentially £2. So I ordered the ginger, lemon, turmeric iced tea, that was 20,000 rupee. And I also ordered a chicken curry, and altogether it's about £2.70. They even gave me some complimentary fried onion things as like an aperitif. And these are really good.
Hi, can I have you?
Yes, please, thank you.
Welcome.
That place is lovely. That was about £2.70 for that meal. It was bloody lovely. It had a constant stream of customers coming in. And it's like really hidden around the back road, so I think it must just get all its custom from recommendations, which I'm not surprised. So I've just come back to my hostel, and there's a sign on the door that says, "Tomorrow we have free dinner for all of our guests. This event we create for you so you get to know each other and make more friends. We provide delicious Indonesian food. There are also a menu for vegan and vegetarian. Please confirm your name to the reception to join this event." How nice is that? They're such lovely people. I mean, for 20 quid for 2 nights, and they still provide things like that. It's incredible. I'm just going to go and put my name on the list. I've also signed up to do a sunrise trek up Batur mountain tomorrow morning. It's a 2 a.m. start, so I need to be in reception at 2 a.m. Nearly 2 a.m. Getting ready for my mountain hike. So done. We had a 45-minute drive here in a taxi. We picked up 2 other visitors, and then we're just sitting at the base camp of the mountain now having some breakfast. So there's quite a few people here also booked up to do the trek up. We've all been given a light and some water. Quick pit stop before we get going. 25 pence to use the bathroom here, and then ringing back in. This is our guide. So we've got to the first rest point. It's all been main road so far, and cars going past. So we were told that it gets like really cold at the top, about 10 degrees, but actually I'm already absolutely boiling. It's a bit harder now. Steep and rubbly. So we just climbed Mount Batur, and actually that's Lake Batur down there. This is the summit. Have to make it right up to the summit. That wasn't the summit, it was a temple. I was told off. Popular tourist attraction. sunrise has actually been, it's quite masked this morning. We didn't see it till it had already started to come up, and I think that's partly due to the volcanic ash, because one of the islands here is actually erupted and some of the flights have been cancelled. So just found out that some of ours might be, so I'm trying to find out at the moment if we're going to be able to get out of here. Monkeys are all coming up for the food. Just me and my mate. He's just nicked the banana off our food tray. Little sod. Journey back down now. It's bloody freezing. My hands have gone like, it's like dead fingers. Driver has come halfway up to meet us. So this is the mountain we've just conquered. So this trip also included a coffee plantation visit, so I'm getting to see the loak again. Yeah. Oh my god, look at him.
I cook in the same pan and my wife cooks chicken or whatever.
He's having a bath. He hates it, look at him.
Oh, this is a little...
Got back to the hostel, it's 10 to 10. I'm just going to grab some breakfast and then have a snooze. So sleepy, I slept in the car on the way back. Bought some teas. I'm off to a restaurant now for lunch that I've been recommended. Found it. This is actually a plant-based restaurant, but there's so many options here. It's absolutely beautiful. Love that. Well worth the walk. I'm having to learn the touch controls for these headphones. They're brilliant for sleeping in. I've got a lot of tics. You can probably see it if you've watched my videos for a while. And at night they're just as bad. And every now and then the music stops in the night, or I'm turning the volume up really loud, or you know, things like that, and I don't know how to rectify it in the middle of the night, so I'm trying to get my head around how it works, so when I'm ticking I can figure out what I've pressed. I'm just going down for the gathering that the hostel are putting on for everybody. I'm smothering myself in mosquito spray. morning. I'm off to get a coffee. It's my last night here, so I check out today. I'm off down to Canggu, but first I'm going to do yoga again this morning and have some breakfast. Laundry done. It's 30,000 for a kilo. It's 3 kilos. I opted for the 2-day service because it meant that the clothes were dried on the line rather than a tumble dryer, so a bit more efficient.